Black holes are some of the scariest things in the universe. If a star gets too close and wanders into its territory, what happens is truly terrifying. See that bright ring of light? That's a black hole enjoying its lunch. It's a swirling disk of stuff from a star it captured. And soon it will swallow it completely, leaving nothing behind. So how do these scary black holes actually form? Well, it always starts with a star much bigger than our sun. First, you need to know stars shine because of nuclear reactions inside them. These reactions constantly create outward pressure, pushing outwards against gravity. This pressure balances the star's own gravity, keeping it stable. But when a star is many times heavier than the sun, like dozens or even hundreds of times, when it runs out of fuel, this balance breaks down. The star is going to die. It explodes in a super powerful supernova. Afterwards, the core can collapse under its own gravity, and a black hole is born. Don't forget, a black hole's gravity is so strong, not even light can escape. That's why we can't see a black hole directly. But if there's enough stuff around it to get sucked in, the black hole will get bigger and bigger. And as these objects are torn apart, they become part of the black hole. That's the moment when black holes unleash their spectacular and terrifying power, warping space, bending light, and consuming anything that dares to come too close. It transforms from a bright star that lights up the darkness into an insatiable monster from the abyss.